Hi Shourav, some people are writing comment they wants to get fixed return. So your thought on it?
Debt instruments, specifically debt mutual funds, are actually a big asset class, right? It's a very diverse asset class. You have very risky debt mutual funds called credit risk funds. You have very low risk debt mutual funds at the other end called short-term debt funds, liquid funds, and so on. If you do want to invest in the debt mutual funds which are giving higher yields, say 7, 8, 9%, I would suggest you get professional advice from an IFA. If you don't want to get professional advice, you want to do debt mutual funds yourself, I would say look at government bond mutuals. There are several large, well-run government bond mutual funds which only invest in either Government of India issued bonds or bonds issued by the state governments. They give you yields similar to government bonds. So a long-term government bond mutual fund will give you returns in the vicinity of 6% odd. And there is a low-cost way to get exposure to the debt category without taking what's called credit risk, without taking the risk that a company that the bond fund is invested in gets into trouble.